Welcome to my channel Beat the Math. I am Pavitra Monai. Today I need to discuss the problem of inverse trigonometric function. The question is given, prove the following statement: cot inverse tan 2x plus cot inverse minus tan 2x is equal to pi. At first you take LHS. LHS is equal to cot inverse tan 2x plus cot inverse minus tan 2x. You see here cot inverse given. Whatever may be, we have to convert into tan 2x to cot and minus tan 2x to cot. So how can you convert? You see cot inverse tan 2x is equal to cot pi by 2 minus 2x. You see cot minus theta, cot minus theta, cos pi by 2 minus theta is equal to how much? Tan theta. Okay, so this become, here theta is equal to 2x, so we can write tan cot inverse cot pi by 2 minus 2x. Here also cot inverse, here minus 2x given, so we have to write cot pi by 2 plus 2x, cot 90 plus theta. You see this is plus plus, all are positive. This is cosec and sin positive, tan cot positive, tan cot positive, sec cos positive. Okay, you see pi by 2 plus 2x, that is this lies in second quadrant. This is what? Cot. Then this is negative, here given negative. Okay, then when you will take pi by 2, it become cot to tan. So this is equal to cot inverse. You see cot and cot, these two will cancel out. Cot inverse and cot, these two will cancel out. This become pi by 2 minus 2x, plus here also these two will cancel out. Pi by 2 plus 2x minus 2x plus 2x, these two will cancel out, is equal to pi by 2 plus pi by 2. Okay, taking LCM to pi plus pi is equal to 2 pi by 2 is equal to pi. This is your RHS. It's proved. Pause the video, note it down. Next you see the next problem, tan inverse x plus cot inverse x plus 1 is equal to tan inverse x square plus x plus 1. So you see at first you write LHS. LHS is equal to tan inverse x plus cot inverse x plus 1. Okay, is equal to tan inverse x plus, you know the formula, cot inverse x is equal to tan inverse 1 by x. Okay, so this is equal to tan inverse 1 by x plus 1. Here cot inverse x plus 1 given. When we will convert cot inverse to tan inverse, it become tan inverse 1 by x plus 1. So these two. Now you apply tan inverse x plus tan inverse y. How much? Is equal to tan inverse x plus y by 1 minus xy. Here x is equal to x, y is equal to 1 by x plus 1. So I can write tan inverse x, tan inverse x plus 1 by x plus 1 divide x divide 1 minus x into 1 by x plus 1. Okay, is equal to tan inverse, this is how much? X plus 1 LCM you take, this is x square plus x plus 1, this is x square plus x plus 1 divide this is how much x plus 1 minus x by x plus 1, okay, is equal to tan inverse. You see minus x plus x will cancel out and x plus 1 this also, this x plus 1 cancel out, the rest is x square plus x plus 1 which is equal to RHS. Is proved. Pause the video, note it down. You see the next problem. Prove the following statement: tan inverse A minus B by 1 plus AB plus tan inverse B minus C by 1 plus BC is equal to tan inverse A minus tan inverse C. At first, you take the LHS part. LHS is equal to tan inverse A minus B by 1 plus AB plus tan inverse B minus C by 1 plus BC. Okay, you know that tan inverse A minus B, tan inverse x minus y by 1 minus xy is equal to, we can write that tan inverse x minus this is plus tan inverse y. Okay, so we can write here this is equal to tan inverse A minus tan inverse B. Here tan inverse B minus C, I can write tan inverse B minus tan inverse C. Okay, this is minus tan inverse B, this is plus tan inverse C, these two will cancel out. Okay, this is equal to tan inverse A minus tan inverse C is equal to RHS. Proved. Pause the video, note it down. Next you see the next problem: cot inverse PQ plus 1 by P minus Q plus cot inverse QR plus 1 by Q minus R plus cot inverse RP plus 1 by R minus P is equal to 0. At first you take LHS. LHS is equal to cot inverse PQ plus 1 by P minus Q plus cot inverse QR plus 1 by Q minus R plus cot inverse RP plus 1 by R minus P. Okay, you know that cot inverse x is equal to tan inverse 1 by x. Here you see x means x by 1. The numerator will go up, the denominator will come down. Numerator will go down. Okay, the denominator will go up. So we can write this tan inverse P minus Q by PQ plus 1, we can write P1 plus PQ. Okay, why I can write this? If I can write this, it become a formula. It become come to a formula. Okay, cot inverse, this is not cot, tan inverse Q minus R by QR plus 1, but we can write 1 plus QR, okay, plus tan inverse R minus P by 1 minus RP. Then this is equal to tan inverse P minus tan inverse Q plus this is equal to tan inverse Q minus tan inverse R plus tan inverse R minus tan inverse P. You see this is minus, this is plus, cancel out, minus plus cancel out, all the thing will cancel out, is equal to 0, is equal to RHS. Pause the video, note it down. You see the next problem. Given tan inverse A minus B, prove that tan inverse A minus B by 1 plus AB plus tan inverse B minus C by 1 plus BC plus tan inverse C minus A by 1 plus CA is equal to tan inverse. The RHS part is tan inverse A square minus B square by 1 plus A square B square plus tan inverse B square minus C square by 1 plus B square C square plus tan inverse C square minus A square by 1 plus C square A square. You take the LHS part. This is tan inverse A minus B by 1 plus AB plus tan inverse B minus C by 1 plus BC plus tan inverse C minus A by 1 plus CA is equal to, I can write tan inverse A minus tan inverse B plus tan inverse B minus tan inverse C plus tan inverse C minus tan inverse A. Okay, you see plus A minus A plus B minus B plus C minus C, all the thing will cancel out. This is equal to 0. Next you take RHS part. Similarly we can write tan inverse A square minus B square by 1 plus A square B square plus tan inverse B square minus C square by 1 plus B square C square plus tan inverse C square minus A square by 1 plus C square A square. Okay, this is equal to tan inverse A square minus tan inverse B square plus tan inverse B square minus tan inverse C square plus tan inverse C square minus tan inverse A square. You see A square plus A square minus A square plus B square minus B square minus C square plus C square, all the thing will cancel out. Okay, this is equal to 0. LHS is equal to RHS. It is proved. Pause the video, note it down. You see the next problem. Prove the following statement. Tan inverse 2A minus B by B root 3 plus tan inverse 2B minus A by A root 3 is equal to pi by 3. At first you take LHS. LHS is equal to tan inverse 2A minus B by B root 3 plus tan inverse 2B minus A by A root 3. Okay, here we can apply tan inverse x plus tan inverse y. Then this is equal to tan inverse 2A minus B by B root 3 plus 2B minus A by A root 3 divide 1 minus 2A minus B B root 3 2B minus A root 3. Okay, 2A minus B root 3 into 2B minus A root 3. This is equal to tan inverse. You see LCM is equal to how much? AB 3AB. LCM equal to 3AB. Okay, this is equal to B root 3. B root 3, that means you don't like that, write like this. You write like this, it will be better. B root 3 into A root 3. You write like this. This is equal to A root 3 into 2A minus B 2A minus B plus this is B root 3 to B minus A divide here also LCM is equal to A root 3 B root 3. Okay, this is equal to 3AB minus 2A minus B 2B minus A. Okay, these two will cancel out. The is equal to tan inverse 2a square root 3 2a square root 3 minus ab root 3 plus 2b square root 3 minus minus ab root 3. ab root 3. Okay, divide, this is 3ab minus 2a into 2b, that is 4ab. Okay, then 2a minus a minus 2a square minus 2b square plus ab is equal to tan inverse taking common root 3, then this is equal to 2a square plus 2b square minus 2ab. Okay, here also 3ab minus 4ab 3ab minus 4ab plus 2a square plus 2b square minus ab is equal to tan inverse root 3 2a square plus 2b square minus 2ab by 3ab, this is the 3ab minus 4ab minus ab, that is how much? You write 2a square plus 2b square. Okay, this is 4 plus 1 5 minus 5 plus 3, that is minus 2ab. These two will cancel out, is equal to tan inverse root 3. Tan inverse root 3, what is the value of tan inverse root 3? That is pi by 3 is equal to RHS. Proved. Pause the video, note it down. You see the next problem. Prove that tan inverse 1 by x plus y plus tan inverse y by x square plus xy plus 1 is equal to tan inverse 1 by x. Take LHS is equal to tan inverse 1 by x plus y plus tan inverse y by x square plus xy plus 1. Apply tan inverse x plus tan inverse y is equal to tan inverse 1 by x plus y plus y by x square plus xy plus 1. Divide 1 minus 1 by x plus y into y by x square plus xy plus 1. Okay, is equal to tan inverse x plus y x square plus xy plus 1. This is the LCM. Is equal to tan inverse x plus y x square plus xy plus 1. This is the LCM. Then this is equal to x square plus xy plus 1 x square plus xy plus 1 plus this is equal to y into x plus y. Okay, divide, LCM is equal to same, it is same, x plus y x square plus xy plus 1. Okay, then this is x plus y x square plus xy plus 1 minus y. These two will cancel out. Okay, is equal to tan inverse x square plus xy plus 1 minus xy plus y square, y multiplied here. Okay, this is equal to x into x cube, x into x square plus x square y plus x plus x square y plus xy square plus y minus y. Okay, plus y minus y will cancel out, is equal to tan inverse x square plus y square plus xy minus xy will cancel out, plus 1 divide here. No, there is no minus sign, sorry, everywhere plus sign is given, sorry for this. X square plus xy plus 1 plus xy plus y square. Okay, x square plus y square plus 2xy plus 1, here x cube plus x square x cube plus how much, x square 2x square y x cube plus xy square plus 2 x square y plus x. Okay, is equal to tan inverse x square plus y square plus 2xy plus 1. Taking common x in denominator, we can get x square plus y square plus 2xy plus 1. Okay, these two will cancel out, is equal to tan inverse 1 by x is equal to RHS, is equal to proved. It is proved. Pause the video, note it down.